There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making lasagna. You want to see how I make this? Follow me, let's go there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so anytime I upload you will get it one time. Oh yeah, make we dey go. So this one are the ingredients what I go use for the lasagna. This one are lasagna pasta. So this is mozzarella. This one are mozzarella. This one are fresh curry leaf what I want use. And this one are onions. This one are tomatoes. This one are not tomatoes. This is pepper, sweet pepper. This one are jumbo Maggi, jumbo. This one are Grandad meat. This now salt. So this one is pan. This one are the pan what I want use to make the food. So I go start to they blend the tomatoes. No, not tomatoes. Sweet pepper jare. Now what? So if you are the type of person that love washing this meat, this blended meat, let me know in the comment section, because I love roasting it. I get that feeling that they never roast it well the way I want. So I always do this anytime I'm using grounded meat. They always wash up. So we'll start to fry the thing now, the tomatoes. So you will let them fry small. You will let them fry like 5 minutes, because it's not all those fresh tomatoes that can take time. This one is just ready made already. So go add the Maggi now. So I go put the fresh curry. Turn am well. Always stir it. Always stir. You see, it already. It's ready now. You see as it look. So this is the time to get to work. So everything is ready now. You see, everything is ready. So I will start by putting the stew first. I go put the stew first. So we'll come put the pasta on top. Only say this pan what I want use, so it's too big for the pasta. But anyhow it be, we'll go see do one. The pan too big. Maybe next time I go find smaller pan. So we'll go put stew again on top. So you could just level the thing they go. This is how you do that. You level it, add more. So we'll go put in mozzarella. I just love using mozzarella. I don't want to use cheese. I love this one. I know there are so many things they add. Some people will add, but for me, I prefer this mozzarella. I just like the mozzarella. He get the sweet taste what I like. So we'll go see put the pasta again. So we'll see put the stew again. Be like upstairs with a mold block. This one are the way they say they lay foundation, abi. With a lay foundation. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. If this one is your first time when they come, don't forget to hit that bell. Don't forget to hit that bell. My old subscribers, I do well for my body. I do well. God will bless you, man. As you keep coming back, God will bless you more. Hey. So you see, as I do the t-shirt with the lay foundation. So this one is the last foundation one I won't put. So this is the last one I'm going to add. I wish this pan was a little bit smaller. It would have been nice more, but it's big. So you see. So I'm going to cover it with this paper. With this foil paper, yeah. So I'll be baking it for like 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes. I'll put it in the oven, then I will bake it for 40 minutes. You see now, guys, it's ready to eat. You see, because the pot was too big for the lasagna, the way the pasta separates. So you see how it looks. Next time now, I'm going to use a little pan for this recipe. But guys, try it. You will love it. It was so delicious. Your kids will definitely love this. Thanks for watching.